Hey, hot skillets! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a $100 Shein gift card, coupon code, promo, whatever you want to call it. So basically, there's this website. It's called zestcoupons.com. This is the website, guys, where you can actually get the Shein like promo code or whatever. So head on to this website. I already typed in Shein, but you can see it's going to say Shein coupon. It's being a little bit slow today because there are so many people using this website, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it and everything like that. By the time you watch this video, the website will not be this slow, hopefully. But anyway, guys, that's the website right there, zestcoupons.com. So once you get to the website, what you want to do is go search bar and type in Shein, guys. All right, so let's just wait for it to load. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so it finally loaded. $100 coupon, as you can see, 59 people used it today. It expires in 2 days. I think after that, they're going to add another one. But these are obviously not like public codes. They're for every individual person. So to get it, we're going to press show coupon code, and it is now going to generate our Shein gift card or whatever. So what we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to load us to this page right here. So as you can see, it says get $500 for shopping at Shein. What do you like about Shein? You like super low prices, you like trendy styles, you like free returns. I don't really know why they ask you this, but just pick one of them. It doesn't matter. I don't want to show you guys my email though. Okay, it didn't pop up. So usually it tries to force me into my keyboard, so I have to show you guys my email address list, which I don't want to do. But anyway, guys, the next step is obviously enter your email, and then you'll get your $500 Shein card. I thought it was $100. I guess they've since updated it to $500, which is pretty wild. But guys, I won't be showing it in the video, but there's a couple more steps that are necessary to actually get our free Shein card. So I will show them to you, but I'm not going to do them. So the first one is after you enter your email address, you're going to see a page like this where it asks you to fill out your information. This is totally normal. You can go, you can look, you can do hunting, you can do research. This is all legit. It's by like the ad network or whatever, so they are responsible for giving out these Shein cards. So if you don't feel comfortable entering your info, that's like a mental problem you have, because this is totally safe. The final thing is the deal thing that comes up. You can see it says complete one deal to continue. So it says like follow instructions. So this is a page that will come up after you enter your email, after you do this. And basically they have these deals you have to do. And you can see right there it says complete one deal. This wasn't a screenshot for the Shein one. You can see, I think this is like KFC, but it doesn't matter because there's some other platforms that use this deal thing. So as you can see, it says Monopoly Go costs $0. You have to reach board level 10. So if you guys don't know, Monopoly Go is a game. So this is just an example one, but you would do it, you'd reach board level 10, you'd finish the deal. And when you do the whole process, you get your Shein gift card, guys, your Shein promo. So be sure to try this out. It actually works, guys.